Let us go to arts equipment. Saka for arts equipment, we have, for examples, these scissors. Cut away from yourself and others. And so you have to cut away, not cut towards yourself or towards a friend. You do not have to run with the scissors because it's sharp. You don't run with the scissors. You have to use it carefully. Then for the storage, store in a safe drawer or a container. Keep blades closed when not in use. Kana musingashandisi zvigero, mufanira kugara makazvivhara. Then keep blades clean. You have to clean them and sharpen blades carefully. You have to ask an adult to help you do that. Then here we do have pencils and brushes, which you should do not put in your mouth. You shouldn't eat or taste glue and paint, remember. Wash hands after use. Then you have to store upright in a container so that you do not damage them. Store upright. Kuroti kunoshandiswa kwacho ndokunenge kuri mudenga. Keep clean. Wash with soap and water after use. You should also wash your hands with soap and water after use. You should let them dry completely. Now we are talking about the paint. Do not eat or drink paint. Achis. Keep away from your eyes again. If you accidentally eat or put it in your eyes, you have to tell an adult so that they can help you wash it off. Use in a well ventilated area. Fresh air. Open the windows. Store in original containers. Keep lids tightly closed so that it doesn't dry up. Then we have to wipe spills immediately and dispose of properly. Then we have this sort of a gun. Only use with adult supervision. Yes. Use carefully. Wear safety glasses if needed during your use. Store in a secure location out of reach of children. Keep blades covered. Clean after use. Maintain sharp blades if applicable. Then we do have this. Do not put in your mouth and sharpen carefully. Store in containers or pencil cases. You have to keep organized. Then these are sort of some pencils, special types of pens and pencils. And sharpen carefully. Do not force them if they break. So these are the different arts equipment which you are going to see when you are doing arts programs, and you are going to be taught how to use them by your teachers. Let us look at this activity. In groups, do a practical activity of cleaning and packing sports and field equipment for throws. Also conduct an activity of cleaning arts equipment. So when you are doing arts and physical education, this activity is telling you that you should store them properly, clean them after use, and you'll be doing this with your friends. So this is the activity. Let us look at exercise 1.2. Warm up activities. Start slow and get faster. So your warm up activities, kana arima press ups munotaka mchiita zvishoma mozoita faster, kana arima jumping jacks, kana arima frog jump, whatever, where you used to warm up and stretch before an activity. Equipment should be dried after cleaning to prevent it from damage. Not shining, but damage. And kuitira kuti equipment yedu isafa tinofanirwa kuicleana. When using a pair of scissors, chigero, cut away from yourself. Saka, you should cut away from yourself, not towards yourself. Then number 4, cool down activities help to get the body ready for more activities, relax the body. So cool down activities help to get the body ready for more activities, because these are short breaks we take between activities. Like for example, kusoka kune half time, and in many other sports they have a cooling down period. After using PE or art equipment, you should pack it away properly, place it in a hidden storeroom. You should pack it away properly in the storeroom. Okay, let us look at these key points in this unit. We learned there are various sports attire options designed for different activities. Basketball vane attire yavo, kusoka kune attire yako, ku netball, ku volley, ku hockey, ku swimming. There are many attires. Warm up and cool down activities are important for reducing the chances of injuries. So we warm up before the activity, and during the activity we cool down. Always observe safety rules to ensure a safe environment. We explained why safety rules are important. Wear the appropriate attire for each specific sport. Safety rules are crucial for preventing injuries, and we learned about this. Practice safe methods for carrying and storing sports equipment. Saka zviri kubva pa attire, zvoenda ku cleaning our equipment after using, kureva kuti kusuka nekugeza nekupukuta zvatinge tichishandisa to prevent damage. Zvoenda ku even our warm up and also cooling down activities. So these were the key points of this unit. Unit revision exercise. So let us help each other through this exercise. Warm-up activities are done to reduce chances of violence, no. Losing, no. Winning, no. But the answer is injuries. That is the answer. B. Damaged equipment should not be used because it may cause speed, no. Big muscles, no. Heartbeat, no. The answer is injuries. Sports apparatus should be stored in a garage, no. Well ventilated lockable room, lockable barn, in the tree shed. The answer is B. Well ventilated lockable room. Proper sports attire enhances fatigue, performance, preparedness for activity, skills. It enhances performance. So B is the answer. Obesity results from eating healthy food, eating junk food. Kudya mafree chips, mapizza, machindo zvinokonzeresa kuti munhu afute. That's obesity. Eating healthy food keeps a person healthy. An example of a safety rule and precaution is being rude. Actually, it is listening to the teacher. That is an example of a safety rule and precaution. For physical education activities, we should wear comfortable sneakers, not wigs. Mawigi tinomapfeka kumapati nekupinda mtown. But comfortable sneakers are for physical education, PE activities. One of the safest ways of using equipment is to avoid climbing on nets, goals. Climbing on nets, goals. It's avoiding climbing on nets. This is the answer. And we shouldn't climb on nets because if you fall, you'll be harmed and injured. One of the safest ways of storing art equipment like scissors is in a leaving it with blades open, no. Tofunga kuvhara chigero kana tisingachishandisi. Storing it in a safe drawer, yes. That will be our answer. Container, no. So we have to store it in a safe drawer kuitira kuti tisacheka vamwe. We have done our work. We meet next time discussing healthy living habits.